Hello and welcome to part one of the new student series for the 10-day course. So this is part one or video one of multiple videos that I'm going to be releasing to help you really understand the practice, integrate the practice into your life, and just the best tips that I would have wanted as a person that just went to my first 10-day course, what I would have wanted. So today's video is about building and maintaining a daily practice, right? So you've gone through your first course, you've probably experienced the good, the bad, the ugly, you've experienced so much of your mind, you've probably experienced things that you never even thought were a part of you, right? It can be such an intense and rewarding experience. So today it's building that daily practice. It's really important because the practice only works when you actually do it, right? It does not work if you don't meditate. It doesn't matter that you went to a 10-day course, that you struggled and you fought and you worked hard, and you had all these amazing experiences. You've done the 10-day course. You see what's possible for your mind. You've experienced by your own hard work what kind of state your mind can get in, right? What kind of peace, what kind of harmony, what kind of equanimity, what kind of acceptance, what kind of joy that you can experience in your mind. So if you don't have a continuous daily practice, all those benefits are going to be gone. And it's probably something you've already noticed, right? You probably noticed in the first few days, right? You came out day 11 on that Sunday morning, went home, there was so much light inside you, so much amazingness. And then by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right, you already noticed this decline. So it's not a matter of prioritizing the meditation, right? But prioritizing these qualities of mind, right? Do you want to be more joyful? Do you want to be more peaceful, more equanimous? Do you not want to get overwhelmed by your emotions and stress? If yes, then here you have a technique that develops those qualities in your minds. You're not prioritizing scanning your body from head to toe. Yes, you are. But the main thing you're prioritizing is the state of mind that you get. It's what it does to you, the benefits that it gives you, the wisdom that it gives you. So make peace of mind a priority, make your joy a priority, make your mental strength a priority, and really commit to your daily 2-hour sittings, 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening. And it's really important to notice the effects. Again, focus on those benefits that you're getting. It's really important because really that's where you find the motivation to keep going. And that's not to say, right, you're always going to have amazing meditation sessions. Storms will arise, thoughts will come, things will happen in life that you'll just be mulling over in your meditation. And that's completely fine. But just like the 10-day course, overall, in general, you should feel amazing and you should feel wonderful. And so notice those benefits, right, in your day-to-day, coming out of the course. You're sitting for an hour in the morning. Notice those effects throughout the day. Notice if you're as irritated as you usually are. Notice if you're as angry as you usually are. Notice if you're as depressed as you usually are, or if there is some change happening, and use that as your motivation. Use that real change in your day-to-day life to re-strengthen your determination to keep meditating. And notice that inner peace that you carry with you. And if you find yourself in a place where you just haven't been meditating at home, just notice the state that your mind succumbs to, the bottom that it reaches, right? Notice the agitation. Notice, look, when I don't meditate in the morning and in the evening, I'm more stressed, I'm more anxious, right? Notice these negative qualities that come up when you don't meditate regularly, and use that for your wisdom, right? Because this is just another signal telling you, hey, we are missing something, right? This stress and this anxiety, use that also as fuel. So be aware and observe the times when you are meditating and when you're not meditating as well. It is my hope for you that you have gone to the 10-day course and you realize, look, this is really important. I love what this does to my mind. I love the kind of person I am when I'm meditating, when I'm more aware, when I'm more equanimous, when I'm more flowy with things, and prioritize meditating on a daily basis. And again, if you don't, just notice what happens to your mind. Just notice what happens to your day to day. Notice what happens to the way that you relate to people, and also use that as a fuel. All right. Thank you so much for watching this one. And there will be another video soon, so keep an eye out.